mind, someone will go for a engineer. So first I'm telling engineer because I like that I joined as a mechanical engineer because I like a airplane, train, car, everything. So that makes me to join mechanical engineering. I did robotics also. Got award from government of Tamil Nadu. So that is my. Still, I want to do research on these areas, electrical vehicle and all. So your students, you may have a lot of scope in your mind. Someone will go for engineer or doctor or collector like IAS officer or IPS officer or any other scientist. So getting government job is very less now. You know very well, only limited seats are there. So in our time we went, but now heavy competition. Everywhere you have to write a public service commission exam, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission exam to go for a deputy collector or DSP or Union Public Service Commission to go for a IAS, IPS. Lot of things are there. And even if you want to be an assistant engineer in a government, you have to write a TNPC exam or a doctor, a civil surgeon, like that. So what you can do after your studies? Now you may be 10th, 11th, 12th. After that, you will go for some graduation. You may pick up some course. After finishing your graduation, you need job. So if there is no job, what you can do? You can be an entrepreneur. So someone will go for government job. Someone will go for a professors like your madam or Mr. Isan Raj sir. So like that, someone will go as a lecturer, professor, dean. Like that, someone those who are all interested, they will choose that. But there are also limited seats only. Not everyone can become a professor because getting seats it's also very difficult there. Getting a post. What you can do, you can be an entrepreneur. For that, what you have to do? From now onwards, you should have an aim in your mind. So I will share my slides. It's visible. Slides are visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, students, you should have an entrepreneurship in your mind. I have seen so many school students, college students, they are doing robotics. In Anna University, I have attended one program there. I have seen small students like 8th, 9th, they are attended the robotic competition. They made a lot of innovation, small innovation. They have attended there and won the prize. And some students I have seen they are developing app. You might have heard in the newspaper also. School students, they are developing app like WhatsApp. Lot of application they are doing in a cell phone. So that are all useful for a society. So what you can do? There are lot of problems in our India or in world. So how to develop a new product? If you want to be a good entrepreneur, you have to develop some product. You can't do the old business. Your father may have some business. Your father or your mother may do some business or engineer or industry. If some students are in that category, they can go as a family business. So family business is also a success now. But some students, father and mother, they will be working in some companies or colleges or government organization. So after retirement, they will settle, but you can't go there again. What you can do? While doing studies, you should inculcate the entrepreneurship quality. So you should have an entrepreneur quality in your blood, so that initially it may be difficult. You have to take risk, but finally if you go some stages, you can earn a lot of money. I'm from government, I may have only limited salary. But if I go as an entrepreneur, I can sell more, make more money. You see our Ola, Uber, our lot of websites have been developed by Amazon, Flipkart. See, they are having just a website, but they are earning money like anything. Alibaba.com. How commerce? Even now, online business is very good. They are making money like anything, only because of app. Ola also don't have any car, but they are making a lot of money. How? Only because of app. Like that, in your final year of graduation, if you are a BE or doctor, so you should develop the entrepreneur quality. My suggestion, now you are a student, you develop a lot of problems are there, you analyze some problem and you develop a new product. In your graduation also, from the first year you start learning about an entrepreneurship. Not only you learn about BE mechanical or electrical or civil, but from the first year you try to learn about an entrepreneurship also. That is hub and spoke model we have developed from our EDI, Entrepreneur Development and Innovation Institute. So according to this, Anna University is our hub. All nearby colleges or spoke colleges, like that throughout Tamil Nadu we have developed. So this college, there is a facilitator. He will give training to your students from the first year onwards. So from the first year onwards, they will get entrepreneurship training. Parallelly, they will do their course. At the fourth year, they have to do some project. So if you are a mechanical engineer, you have to do some project. And you have to pass in that project. So in final year, I did robotics. So I struggled a lot. I went to Mumbai, bought stepper motor. We did 4 degrees of freedom. That time we don't have book also. We went to IIT Madras. Sometimes vehicle will be there. Sometimes by walk we went. So like that I struggled while doing project. But after that I got award from Directorate of Technical Education. That made me good. Even I applied for patent. One more handicapped patent I got it. Handicapped vehicle patent. So like that in final year you have to do a very good project. And you can apply for patent. That product you can start an industry. After coming out of college, maybe 1 or 2 years you can work in some other company. That is called intrapreneur. Intrapreneur will have passion in their mind as an entrepreneur. So, but they don't know about marketing, finance, HR, business, English and all. So they will work 1 or 2 years in a small companies, come out of that company and they will start their own industry. So like that you can do. So final year you take a very good project. Now itself you work in which area you are liking. Even you can be a doctor, you can start a clinic, a lab testing laboratory you can start, or any IT companies you can start. If you are good in information technology, you can start IT companies, you can develop software. Like that, so many opportunities are there. So today I will tell about 10 steps to become entrepreneur. So I'm joint director in Industries Department. This Industries Department is there throughout India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you can see this Department of Industries. In Tamil Nadu, we have Department of Industries and Commerce. I am deputed as a DG in Sanchitco. So throughout India, you have District Industry Center. Department of Industries will have subdivision as a DIC. Each districts you have District Industry Center, DIC, headed by General Manager. I am also one of the General Manager District Industry Center. Previously I worked in Thiruvannamalai, Perambalur and all. Now I'm in head office. So once you have decided to be an entrepreneur, you have to contact General Manager DIC. Wherever you go, there is a DIC. If you go to Mumbai, Lucknow, Delhi, you have District Industry Center headed by General Manager. They will help you to identify the product, give loan, subsidy, market your product, all the help they will give. They will facilitate you to be an entrepreneur. Next slides, can you see this? Hello? Next slide, can you see this?
Yes, sir. 10 steps to become an entrepreneur.
This is the main important slide. So these are all 10 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10. Within 100 days, you can start an industry. Roughly, I have put this, but it depends. Some you can start within 1 month or like that. So first step, you have to decide what product you are going to do. Innovation you have to do. As a student, if you do innovation, you can be a best entrepreneur. See, yesterday I saw a person from ship. He is flying. See, yes, individual is flying is a difficult. No one has, everyone have dream to fly like birds. But he has fitted some small components in his back, at the back side of body. With the hand, he has just raised it. He is flying. From ship, he is flying in the sea. Again, he is coming to that ship that I have seen in an internet. So that is innovation. So if that becomes very famous, everyone can fly. No need of vehicle and all. So like that, innovation you have to do. First step is that we have a lot of organization for you to help, like our DIC, Entrepreneur Development and Innovation Institute. You have Skill Development Corporation. They will give training on specific areas to develop your skills. We have MSMEDI to give training on like robotics, export. And then we have Startup India website to give training. Once you become a startup person, startup means not everyone starting an industry is not startup. You have to do an innovative product. Then only you are called as a startup company. So that is your first step. Second step, you have to prepare a project report. Third one, you can prepare proprietor, partner, public limited, private limited, like that you can start. Fourth step, land and building. You have to purchase for starting your industry. We have a lot of organizations to help you. Fifth one, you have to purchase your raw material and machinery. Sixth one, you have to get various license and permits from Pollution Control Board, Fire Services, Inspector of Factory, Department of Town and Country Planning, EB connection, water connection, boiler inspector, like that. License you have to get it within month. We will give you. Seventh step, important, finance. You need term loan and working capital. So we have a lot of websites like Mudra, Stand Up Mitra, Needs. These are all the schemes for you to get loan from bank. Eighth step, you have to attend an entrepreneur development training. That also we will give free of cost. First step is skill development training. You develop a skill in your particular field. Eighth step, you will go entrepreneur development training. So you will master in financial management, marketing management, production management, human resource management, business communication, dealing with government departments, all the thing you will get thorough. Ninth step, you have to take income tax, registration like PAN number, GST, employee state insurance, employee provident fund, employee pension scheme. These are all you have to put for your company. Final one, you have started your business. You can go for Udyam registration. Then you have to do marketing. Even export you can do. We have a lot of websites for engineering export, leather export, garment export, gem and jewelry, hire, cashew, even software you can do export. So like that, lot of export promotion center is there. Through that also you can do exports. So these are all the 10 steps to become entrepreneur. After that also Government of India and Tamil Nadu, they are giving lot of schemes is there. So how to develop a new product? There is a tool called quality function deployment. You have to go to customer and ask what is your problem. They will tell lot of problem, you have to note it down. And they will tell who are all the company. For example, you want to manufacture an electrical vehicle. You can ask the customer what you want. They will tell, I don't want petrol and diesel. My color of the car should be like this. My price of the car should be like this. I want 4 seats or 5 seats or 2 seats, like that. They will tell all the thing. Voice of customer you have to note down. These are all competitor. Competitor 1, maybe Ford, Hyundai, Maruti, all companies. You can note it here. This is your car company. You are going to manufacture one electrical car. You are asking your customer. First customer, they will tell price is high for this particular car. They will tell quality is good, quality is bad. All the thing you have to do as a mark. You can mark in terms of numbers, 1 to 5 point scale. And then whatever product you are developing, you should not have all the problems of your competitor. So this is the technical specification you have to do. Whatever they said, electrical vehicle means you have to put electrical battery. So that the electrical battery may be first technical specification. So like that you have to develop. You have a relationship with that. You can fix some targets. This is the way to develop a new product or service sector. So this analysis you have to do. It is there in the internet. I have developed an handicapped vehicle. So I asked a customer, what do you want? That handicapped person. They said, if we don't have leg, we want a vehicle. The persons who are having leg, they will walk and go by train or bus. Those who don't have leg only, they need vehicle. So that analysis we did. And we have asked, this is the voice of customer description. I thought of doing a 4-wheel like car. So that handicapped vehicle, he will enter in the 3-wheel and went into the car. After that, you are using ABC, acceleration, brake control, you will drive the car. Like that I thought. But that customer, what they said, I want only 3-wheel. So what you have to do, this is your technical specification. You have to develop a 3-wheeler. You have to give a 10 mark. So this 10 mark will come from this. Okay, this factor, importance factor. Like that, they said I want hand operated, handlebar or joystick. I don't want steering. So you have to put 10 mark. Comfortable seat, because physically challenged, they want ergonomics is very important, movement of body. And so they said I don't want electrical. I want only electrical, not petrol or diesel. So you have to put a 800 watts PMDC motor. So that you have to put easy open type for easy accessible. Some say I want roof free. Some said I want solar. So, you know, the physically challenged, they will be sitting under the office or some schools or colleges. Their vehicle will be idle for 8 or 10 hours. What they can do, they can put their vehicle in the under the solar, so that the battery 800 watts get charged. So they can use the vehicle. No need to put a charging station or no need to charge their vehicle. Using solar, they can run the vehicle. So this is your innovation. Like that, speed control means you have to put acceleration control. These are all your engineering area. You have to develop. The specific needs is an engineering role to develop a product. These are all voice of customer. This is the importance factor. 10 means you have to do this again, otherwise they won't buy your vehicle. So these are all less factors. Speed control means you have to put acceleration control. Easy start and stop means you have to put feather touch. Comfortable steering means you have to put joystick. Low cost, everyone want a very less cost. You can put minimum number of parts. Windshield protection, like that. This is the way you have to develop a new product. If you develop like this, your product will be marketed in a market, and then customer will buy your product. You will be a crorepati within a short period. See, everyone will do innovation. That is very important. And you should have developed some competency for an entrepreneur. David McClellan from Harvard University, what he is telling, an entrepreneur should develop all this competency like achievement cluster, like opportunity seeking and initiative, persistence, commitment, efficiency and quality. He should take risk. In planning cluster, an entrepreneur should set up goal, information seeking, planning and monitoring. In power cluster, he has to do persuasion and networking, independence and self-confidence. See, this is the Emperor Tech training given by United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. They are giving this ETW training for 6 days. If you want, you can also attend this training program. So first they will conduct interview, 1.5 hours they will conduct interview through online. So I have attended that interview. They will ask a lot of questions. After that they will put mark. So for all these things they will put mark 1 to 5. Minimum 1, maximum 5. I got only 1, 2 initially. They told your goal setting is very poor. So I really worried. It is like a horoscope. They are telling all my competency. So I got maximum 3 mark only. So finally they said, okay, you can develop, but you have to reach 5 to be a best entrepreneur. So in that interview I passed, and then government they paid 1,25,000 for me. That time I was in EDII, Entrepreneur Development and Innovation Institute. So that EDI they paid 1,25,000 to Emperor Tech. This is the organization in Geneva, in Europe. So they trained nearly 2 lakh persons on this competency. So from Kerala, nearly 21 entrepreneurs they came to our office, came to Chennai. So Kerala Chief Minister has given 1.25 lakh to 21 entrepreneurs, all are IT entrepreneurs. They reached Chennai during April 2016. I have attended this training program. So 21 from Kerala, I am the 22nd. 2 more from Calcutta they came. So only 25%. It is like round table. In a table, only 6 persons can sit. Like that, the training happened. So morning 10 to 6, they taught us about all this competency. Each and everything have subdivisions that I can't leak it because they got signed from us not to leak. It's a confidential like that. So morning 10 to 6, I have attended this training program. After 6, you have to sell some product. You have to be like an actual entrepreneur. So I don't know what to do. One Kerala person, IT entrepreneur, he sold a cake, our eating cake, no? That he sold it to that hotel itself. He earned some 6 to 7,000. One more person, he sold a T-shirt to all customers, and he also earned around 5 to 6,000. One woman entrepreneur, she sold a cup. You know our tea cup, ceramic cup. You can put your photo or our group photo or family photo, our friends photo like that. She also sold around. She also earned around more than 5,000. And one more IT entrepreneur. He has done one innovation. He has developed a software for school students like you. So that is a software teaching tool. He developed and then he sold that for 1 year and he earned 1.5 lakhs within 1 week. So he got a best innovation award as well as best entrepreneur award. He sold so many softwares to that schools. There he earned 1.5 lakh. What I did at that time, I'm fond of writing books, lot of books. Even now I'm writing. So even I have written a lot of journals also I published. So what I did, these 10 steps to become an entrepreneur. This book that time I had in my hand. So what I did, I thought of selling this as a e-book, because if I can't do the business within 1 week, I can print out a hard copy. So what I did, I'm in Chair Park near Cricket Stadium. So nearby is the Ritchie Street. I went to Ritchie Street and bought 100 CD. That CD, I want to give good quality. That is the 4th point. So what I did, I purchased Sony CD because Sony is costlier one. I never mind whatever costly, I have to give to my customer a very good product. So I asked only 50 CDs. He said, no, sir, this pack contain 100. So I bought 100 CD for 1,200 rupees. I asked for 10 rupees. Finally, I bargained and came around 9 rupees. So 900 rupees I given for 100 CD. One CD is only 9 rupees. And for putting that in a cover, that cover cost 1 rupee. So the 100 cover is 100 rupee. That I have not bargained. So I paid 100 for cover, 900 for CD. So total my investment is 1,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees I paid. I got 100 CD and 100 cover. And I bought one pen also, CD writing pen, to write it in that CD 10 steps to become entrepreneur by Dr. E. Bhaskar, and that and all I did. So I reached home and wrote this book. Whatever I am telling you, I wrote this book in that CD. Now that has become e-book now, 10 steps to become entrepreneur. So first I sold to my cousin, I got 100 rupees. So I fixed that the cost of one e-book is around 100. Maybe cost is around 20 only. I have added my knowledge cost around 80 and then sold 100 rupees. First day I got 100 rupees. Second day I sold a 6 CD, 6 e-book. I got 600. Third day 14 I sold 1400 I got. And I put this in a Facebook also. There I got 2 order. I sent through email and then they send 200 rupees to my Indian bank account. So there I earned 200 rupees. And I put this as a hard copy. That comes around 170 rupees. The trainer, one from America, is a Fernando. One more from Karen. She is also from South Africa. She only interviewed me. Both of them saw my book and he said very good. He asked me how much. I said 170 rupees. That printing and binding cost. He told I have only 200. I don't have 170. He gave me 170. He gave me 200 rupees. So cost is only 170. So there I earned 30 rupees profit. So Thursday I sold some more CD, Friday, Saturday, till Saturday I sold only 50. 50 it is wasted for me. So for 50 CD I got 5,000 rupees, 50 into 100, through Facebook 200, through hard copy 30 rupees. So 5230 is my turnover. In that I put some expenses for my petrol, for my car, bike and all. So and the CD and all I have deducted. So I wrote a cash flow statement, profit and loss account, balance sheet. For 1 week I did this. So finally my net profit is 4,200, 2,200 something. So finally I have passed in that exam. I got certificate. It's a very tough. Not if you pay you will get certificate. So an entrepreneur should develop all these competencies. That's what I want to tell to you. And you should do value chain analysis also. What Michael Porter is telling, to make a profit, you should have very good infrastructure, human resource, technologies in your part. You have to develop a new technology, raw material, machinery procurement. That is your support activity. In primary activity, your raw material is coming to machinery, operations, product is coming out. You have to have marketing and sales and service. So this is the value chain analysis you have to put. Then business model canvas. See, Flipkart, Amazon, all before starting an industry, they will you do this business model canvas. Who is your customer? Who will buy your product? What relationship you are having? In what channel you are going to distribute your product? Value proposition. Why customer has to buy your product? What unique selling proposition you have for your product? What are the key activity you are going to do to sell your product? What key resources you are going to bring to manufacture your product? Who are all your partners, like competitor, bankers? You have to know all people. What cost structure you are going to bring? Term loan, working capital, revenue. How you are going to get to your revenue? If I sell the CD, immediately I will get money, 100 rupees. But some product and all, it will take 3 months to get money, like engineering components. If they sell auto components, they won't give money immediately, like Ford to Hyundai. They will take some time. So that and all you have to do. This business model canvas is very, very important. Before starting an industry, you have to do this. And you have to know MSME Act, Government of India, like micro, small, medium, large industries. Micro means your investment in machinery is 1 crore. If you have CNC machine, it is 20 lakhs. Some 1 crore less than computer if you have, that is called micro. So you can start a manufacturing or service. Manufacturing means raw material is coming to machinery, product is coming out. Service means you are doing service. Two-wheeler service station, laptop service, cell phone service, Xeroxing, tailoring, all are service sector. That also you can start. That is called equipment. Manufacturing means machinery. So if you have 1 crore in machinery and 5 crore turnover, you are called as a micro. Then 10 to 50 is a small, 50 to 250 is a medium, 50 to 250 is large. Ford, Hyundai, Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy, Nokia. These people will come under this category. So these are all tier 4 supplier, tier 3, tier 2, tier 1 original equipment. So you can initially you can start as a micro, small. Gradually you can move to medium and large. So this is the data about India. We have 30 million industries in India, 30% GDP. We are number 3. 6,000 products we are doing. Employs nearly 70 million people. See, young population are very high in India. 1.3 billion. So lot of scope for your students like you. Younger generation is more than 1.3 billion. So you can go for an self-employment or an employment. If you start an industry, you will give employment to 10%. See, each and every lakh you will employ one person at least. So there is a joke also. The first bench student will get first rank. He will buy hard. He will have very good knowledge. But sometimes you have fear about an entrepreneur. So you want to join in a company. The last bench student, he will fail in all subjects. He will have arrears, but he don't know what to do. Finally, he will start a business. Then what happen? He will recruit a good people only. You have a very good mind. You have very good knowledge. So the first bench students will go to that last bench student who is an entrepreneur to attend that interview. So this is just a joke I am telling, but it's happened. So you should not be like, even though you are a first bench student, you should start. You know, IIT Madras, all students maximum now they are not going for a job. Even they are doing innovation, lot of new products they are developing. IIT Madras people, not only IIT, throughout India, they are getting patent. They are starting an industry. They don't want to go for a job. You know, IIT Madras, they will get lot of money, they lot of salaries, but they want to prefer as an entrepreneur. So even a first bench student also be an entrepreneur. That's what I want to tell you. So we have 40% MSME maximum exports they are doing. Manufacturing is around 45%. 51% are rural MSME. So even rural people, they are starting an industry. So in Tamil Nadu, we have 50 lakh MSMEs, 2,73,241 investment, nearly 151.61 lakh persons have been employed, 6,000 products we are doing. We are number 1 in number of factories. Factories means 10 workers will be there with power, 20 workers without power. So Tamil Nadu is number 1, Maharashtra and Gujarat are number 2 and 3. Total number of employment also Tamil Nadu number 1, nearly 16%. Here also 16%, 16.24. Second is Maharashtra and Gujarat. So this is the graphical representation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In financial performance, we are number 3. First one is Gujarat on total output and invested capital. Second one Maharashtra and third one Tamil Nadu. Remaining and all fourth Karnataka and UP. See, you have lot of scope for engineering equipment. You see throughout Tamil Nadu, you can see almost all machineries we are doing: boiler, turbine, generator, switch gear, tractor. You know, this area is full of automobile. And even here also in South Tamil Nadu, you can see same machine tools, generator, boiler, turbine. Like that automobile also we have very good scope. You have Ashok Leyland, Royal Enfield, Mitsubishi. In Sriperumbudur, you have Hyundai, Dalmia, Nissan, Renault, Komatsu, Ford, BMW. For supplying components, they are vendors nearby that area. You have TVS, Lucas TVS, MRF tires, Michelin, India Pistons. So many persons they are supplying. So automobile is a very good area. See, you are a student. So future you will have electrical vehicle. You can do lot of research on electrical vehicle. So electrical vehicle is going to rule the India, not only India, throughout world, because we have to control our climate, greenhouse gas we have to control. So petrol and diesel will go in future. Only electrical vehicle will come. For that, lot of design is going on. Already some Holland they have started manufacturing. Mahindra already they are manufacturing electrical vehicle. So in this area you can do research. Even two-wheeler it's going to come. You can fit some battery and remove engine and you can start like that. You can do. That is an innovation. Like that, Akuron food processing also we have a lot of scope throughout Tamil Nadu. Textile and apparel also you have Chennai, Karur, Madurai, Coimbatore. Tirupur is number one in, we have 6,000 textile unit garments. They are exporting also around 34,000 crore domestic and turnover. Defense corridor, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu is called as a defense corridor. So last year I went to Lucknow and we have attended a defense corridor exhibition. In Chennai also it happened 2 years back. You know, Chennai we have Avadi tank factory. We have a Aero Park in Kanchivaram. Tiruchi you have ordnance factory. They are manufacturing guns. Even one student I saw is manufacturing gun. He came to Lucknow and displayed that in an exhibition. DRDO they have enquired him, Defense Research Development Organization. So he may get lot of order from Government of India. Army, Navy, Air Force, they will take only from MSME. So you have a lot of scope for defense item. In Madurai also we have a lot of products. Tuticorin we are doing shipbuilding. Coimbatore precision components. Hosur we have a maintenance research organization. So here also you have Hindustan Aeronautical Limited in Bangalore. You can get a lot of order. Like Salem also you have, they are doing helicopter, like aerospace engineers, they are here. So this is our strength about defense item. As a student, you can do lot of research in this area. You can develop lot of products and you can supply to DRDO. So this is the great opportunity for you. And in Pradhan Mantri Kaushal, we are giving free training for skill development. So that and all you can participate. We are giving entrepreneurship skill development program, awareness camp for students like you through colleges, schools, all the persons we are giving through MSME DI technology centers. We have tool rooms to give training on all areas, even flowers, sports, footwear also we have in Gindi. And we have voucher A. If you do innovation in product or process, you need money. You can go to IIT or any incubator. Even your SRM may have incubator. There you can go and do research on a particular product. If you develop that product, 80% will reimburse. 2 lakhs we will give you free of cost. Through Entrepreneur Development Institute, you can get that. As a student or through your SRM institution, you can get it, or as an MSME or as a startups, you can get. Startup means not everyone starting an industry is not startup. You have to do innovation in product or process. Then only you are called as a startup. So once you develop a product, we are giving voucher B. You have to put it in a market, commercialization. I told you IIT Madras students, they are doing innovation, they are commercializing their patent. Same thing, if you want to commercialize, you need money to survey, lot of expenses you need. For that 50% we are reimbursing, 5 lakhs. Tamil Nadu government, we are giving to a final year engineering students or a entrepreneur, budding entrepreneur through EDI. So these are all the some of the products students they have developed. You can see this company, electronic based processing machine, automatic electrical circuit, smart popcorn vending machine, health and sanitation. These are all new product developed by students, final year students or a new entrepreneur, recycling waste. So like this, see lot of products is coming day by day. Banana rope automatic machine. Okay. Human pancreatic transplantation to cure diabetes. So this is one more innovation. We have given voucher A or voucher B, 2 lakh or 5 lakh. Same thing. Biodegradable and eatable wheat plate making machine. So as after eating, you can eat that plate itself. That's what he has designed. See, these are all innovation. Drone detection system for police station and prison. So like that, if you do, we will give 2 lakh or 5 lakh. We have startup schemes. So that also we will funding startup funds or funds. If you put it in a stock exchange, we will give 5 lakhs. And for patent, see, I spent nearly 6,000 only for patent application fee, publication fee. My patent is published in a patent journal, and the examiner fee I paid only 2,000. So total I paid 6. Now around 8,900. But whatever you spend, we will give reimburse up to 3 lakhs. 75% will reimburse for patent. So you can apply through our DIC. This is my department website, indicom.tn.gov.in. So any individual institution you can get patent up to 3 lakh we are reimbursing. So for trademark and geographical indication also we are reimbursing up to 25,000. You know, trademark is for a product, GA is for a geographical area like Kanjivaram silk saree, Tirunelveli Alva, or Ooty tea, Darjeeling tea, Tirupati laddu. Like that you can get GI. For that also we will reimburse. So this is our website. So first step we have seen. Second step, we have to prepare project reports. We have a lot of websites to do that. Third, you can start proprietor, partner, company, cooperative. So all we can make through online. Lot of hacks are there. Fourth one, you have to purchase a land and building. We have 122 industrial estate in SIDCO. SIPCOT we have 21. Micro, small, medium enterprise. You know, Gindi, Ambattur, Turumudivakam, Tirumalaisai. Near SRM also you have Marimala Nagar. There also we have industrial estate. And Ford is company is there. Hyundai is there in Sriperumbudur. That is SIPCOT. TIDCO is Tidal Park, Tisal Park. We are giving for a rented one. Biotechnology Park, Aero Park. It is in Kanjivaram. Like that we have developed. You can go for lease agreement. This is our Tirumalaivali estate for women. Even for women, we have 5 industrial estate. We are allotting for women entrepreneur, SC, ST, ex-serviceman. So through outright or lease, we will give the allotment. So these are all some of the schemes. Like if you shift, we will give 20 crore. If you develop an industrial estate, we will give 15 crore. In Tirumalaisai already we have multi-stored flat and complex for micro industry. Now we are developing at Ambattur. Now you can also go and register here. In Ambattur we have, like that in Gindi also we are developing a multi-store. Even 4th floor also you can start your industry, IT or very less made machinery. 5th step, you can go for a raw material and machinery. This is the website. You can purchase your raw material and machinery. If you have done any innovation also, you can put it in this website. Government e-market, 2 lakh products are there. Even government tender and all you can take, like a mask, sanitizer, anything government want means they will purchase through this website. If you are a manufacturer, you can supply. Even iron and we are giving bags, paper. Single window portal is, this is the website. All the clearances according to Business Facilitation Act, we will give within 1 month. Building plan approval, EB connection, pollution control board, health, fire, inspector of factory, boiler inspector, like that, all clearances. 7th was finance. I told you, you need a term loan and working capital. We have a lot of schemes. One is UIGP. We are giving 15 lakhs for manufacturing through banks, 5 lakh for service sector, 5 lakh for business sector. So you can apply through our DICs. 2.5 lakh is given as a subsidy. You have to pass only 8th standard. Age 35 for OC, 45 for special category. Overall special category like SC, ST, BC, MBC, minority, woman. Woman, if you are in a forward community also will come under special category, transgender. We will give 4 days entrepreneur development program also after sanction of loan. So this is the website you can apply. So this woman entrepreneur, she has started Arika leaf plate. Only 3 lakh she has invested. We 55,000 we have given subsidy. He is doing a scientific glass apparatus. He also invested around 5 lakh. We have given 75,000 as a subsidy. So through online you can apply. You no need to come to our office. 5,000 people we are giving loan under this category. Next you have Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. This is there throughout India. So only age 18 year. You can get 25 lakh for manufacturing and 10 lakh for service. Here also 25 and 35% we will give subsidy for rural and urban. Even we can go for an expansion also, we will give 15% subsidy. So we will give online training also, entrepreneur development program. In Salem, these people are manufacturing chappals. 3.5 lakh we have given free to them for a 10 lakh project. This 5 lakh is nylon oil filter in Vellore. They are doing this. This is the website. You can apply through online. Even project report you can have here. There is an Excel sheet where you can prepare your own project report. Profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, funds flow, debt to service coverage ratio, break even point, all the things you can learn from this website. 1,500 people were giving loan under this category. Next one, needs for first generation. So after your graduation, you can go for manufacturing and service from 10 lakh to 5 crore. Even you can start a solar panel, electrical vehicle, car also you can manufacture up to 5 lakh. Here also 3-week training we are giving. Only ITA diploma degree, not 10th or 12th. So after graduation only you have to attend 21 years. After finishing BE, your age will be 21. If you finish the BA, BSc, BCom means you have to come for 1 year. After that only you can start. So other persons 45 years is your age limit. A special category SC, ST, BC and all will come under. You have to bring 5%, 95% banker will give loan. You will give 25% subsidy. That is freely will give. You no need to repay that amount. So 50 lakhs maximum we are giving. So this is the scheme. Even interest subsidy we are giving. So this is a multicolor printer. So normally printer will have only 1 or 2 color. This is a multicolor. He has invested 1.36 crore. We have given 25 lakh subsidy. This woman entrepreneur from Kanyakumari, she has started dry cleaning. 67 lakh project, 15 lakh we have given. So this is our portal. 1,000 people they are getting loan under this category. Apart from that, we have MSME policy. We have stamp duty exemption. If we invest in missionary, we are giving 1.5 crore for women, 5 crore, environmental 5 lakh, employment, lot of subsidies we are giving, even for expansion, diversification. These are all the trust sector. If you start anywhere in Tamil Nadu, we will give 25% missionary subsidy. So electrical vehicle, medical devices, technical textiles, aero, bio, industry 4, all the things are included. Power subsidy we are giving 20%, generator 25%. If you do technology upgradation, again we will give up to 55%. So these are all some successful entrepreneur. Fishnet, bakery products in Thiruvarur district. So through TIC also for electrical vehicle we are giving 6% interest subsidy. For employee provident fund we are reimbursing around 24,000 per employee. Like that, if you MSME, if they do e-vehicle also we are giving 10 lakh subsidy. If you scale up again we'll give 25 lakh subsidy. Credit guarantee without collateral you can take 2 crore from bank. So whenever if you go to bank will ask collateral for your loan. This scheme will cover without collateral you can take 2 crore, provided you should have a very good project report. So everything we made online, whatever you have seen now, everything through online you can find. So other agencies like SIDBI, TIC, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas, all people are giving loan to you, your organization. This is Startup India. So 10 year you can be a startup, registered company or a single director company up to 100 crore. This is the Startup India website. I told everyone starting is not startup. You should work towards development or improvement of product, process or services, or have a scalable business model with high potential for creation of wealth and employment. This is the startup definition. So what benefit you can get? No one will come for inspection. You will have a mobile app. Patent will be given at a fast track. You can participate in government tender. Easily you can wind up your company. Credit guarantee you can follow. 3 year you no need to pay tax. Whatever profit you are having you can keep it. We have Mudra loan again. Up to 10 lakhs you can get, but here no subsidy. You can mingle with our state government scheme to get subsidy. You have Stand Up India, SC, ST and the woman can get 1 crore. This also you can mingle with state government schemes. So this is your 7th step. 8th one you have to implement your project. Now you are ready for workshop. You have recruited people, installed machinery, safety. You are now purchasing raw material, other license like IT, GST and all. You are taking Factory Act. You have to know ESA, EPF and all. You have to put for your employee. Final one, Udyam registration. So now here you have started your production. Micro, small, you can get a certificate here. Even for cottage and handicrafts, we are registering. These are all marketing websites, recruitment website, export websites. We are giving marketing support. 25% government will purchase only from micro, small entrepreneur. We are giving hall rent if you participate in the exhibition. So for international exhibition like in Germany and all, if you go for attending exhibition also, we are giving funding. We have market assistance scheme, Amma skill training, where for employee we are giving 12,000. If you have problem with big company, again we are facilitating and reimbursing that. Security rehabilitation, awards and all we are giving for best entrepreneur, agro-based quality, woman entrepreneur, district level, even for bankers we are giving. We have testing laboratory at Kakalur where all electrical products are getting tested for getting ISI mark. So after that only you should start production. Like that we have chemical testing laboratory. We have cooperative society like UTT, Sagosar, leather engineering and all. This also you can start. We have energy audit scheme where 10 lakhs is given. We have for ISO and all we are reimbursing around 2 lakhs. Internationally we are giving 10 lakhs. Mini tool room you can set up to 1 crore we are financing. So these are all some of the schemes the government is helping in a competitiveness. For 2.5 lakh for a technology development fund. Incubator we are 2.5 crore we are giving to colleges. Center of Excellence is 1.25 crore. Interest subvention if you go to GST platform. Credit linked if you do any technology upgradation, again we are giving 15% subsidy. Tool rooms I told you already we have, you can develop your products. Even Government of India 20% they will purchase only from micro small entrepreneur. We have cluster scheme like group of persons if they join we will give common facility centers. So up to 14 crore Government of India is reimbursing. These are all some of the clusters we have developed in Tamil Nadu. Engineering, printing, rice mill, plastic, gold jewelry in Chennai, Madurai, Tiruchi and all. So group of people we are helping for common missionary. See, this is in Kanchipuram. This is our rice bag, cement bag and all they are manufacturing. So commonly they are purchased. This is in terms of crore it will go. So like that, you know, Dalavaipuram we have done ready-made garment cluster, Tirunelveli rice mill cluster, Virudhunagar printing cluster. So these are all some of the clusters we have developed. Even we have micro cluster. In Salem we have done silver anklet cluster. Zero effect, zero defect. You should not do any defect on your product. For that also, you should not affect the environment. For that also, Government of India is giving a lot of subsidies. For lean manufacturing also we are funding up to 36 lakhs. For students in this design clinic you can get 1.5 lakh. If you are a final year student, if you want to develop any new product with some companies you can get this funding. Indian Institute of Science Bangalore will give this. We have digital MSME. If you implement all ICT tools we will fund it. Incubator 15 lakh is given to a student. So your SRM or any college, Venkateswara we have already given, Venkateswara University, Anna University, even 1 crore we are giving for a business incubator. And the students you can get 1 crore for as a soft loan to develop your product, to market or starting an industry. Government of India is also giving a subsidy for patent, trademark. Government of India is also giving a lot of awards. Banker award, we have data bank you can register, champions if you have any problem you can register here. We have e-services, woman entrepreneur we have some websites. This is a export website you can do engineering export, garment, leather, and we have global mart. So these are all some of the India level association. If you register, you can be all your MSME only will register here, so that you can get some funding. If you want get funding through association, you come means it will be useful. Coimbatore District Small Industries Association, Madurai, Tiruchi, Salem, like that we have district level association. NICC will help you in marketing their products, raw material assistance, marketing assistance. This is for Sikkim. We have Trade Promotion Bureau to export your product, they will help you. So these are all our websites. This is my office. This is Land and Building, EDI, MTIP. So TIDCO, TIC, SIPCOT, all the agencies are there in Tamil Nadu. So this is about our department. So any doubt also you can, this is my WhatsApp number and email ID. You can note it down. Any doubts also you can send me mail or you can ask now also. See, lot of schemes are there. I can take even 2 days class also, or like that we have throughout India. So this is a iceberg like for you. You should know what government is giving. That what today's seminar, and you should develop your entrepreneur quality in your mind. That is one more motivation we are going to give. So thank you very much. I thank the organizers for giving me this